guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a Shein haul. So I got quite a few items from them. I've got a little stack next to me, so I've already taken them out their packaging just so they don't make all the rustling noises, and I was so excited I wanted to just get in and look at them. So the first thing I got is this. I just fell in love with the fabric of it. You can already see it's like all pop art, and I thought maybe I could style it, but I'm not too sure. I think it looks a bit too costumey. So it's kind of like a oversized blazer jacket type thing. It feels, you know, fairly thin, but I was thinking with like black jeans and a black top, it might look quite stylish with like a pair of heels, but I'm not sure now looking at it. So I got it in a size small. I can't remember how much it was, but I will let you know when I try it on. So I really liked the fabric, but I'm not 100% sure. So I'll throw it on with the jeans and the shoes and we can see what it looks like. But it is just so funky and I love it. But I'll go chuck it on and we'll have a look. So I'm going to try on this jacket with a red top underneath just because it's got red in it. But I think it's just going to look a bit costumey, but let's have a look. Okay. So that's what it looks like. So let me know if you think I get away with that as a sort of casual coat. Like obviously it is a very wacky coat, and I think it might be just a little bit too crazy to wear casually. I don't know what I was expecting it to look like, but for some reason I just thought I might be able to wear it as a casual jacket. Maybe if it was cropped, I don't know, I can kind of see if it was cropped here, it might be more wearable, but I do love it. Like, how cool is that? Like, it's amazing. I love things with sort of like cartoons on them or comic book strips, and pop art is great as well, so I just fell in love with this. I really do love it. It's quite long on me, so I mean with a nice pair of heels should work, but talk about sassy. I mean, I love it. I'm gonna try and make it work, but either way it works for sort of costume wear as well as hopefully everyday wear occasionally. I'll plan out some outfits with it and play around. I think it just needs the right things under it. Maybe plain black would look better, but let me know what you think. But I love the fabric too much. I have to do something with it. Like, I just love it. It's so funky. The next thing I got just looked so sweet on the model. It's this sort of skater dress. So it will need a belt with it, looking at the shape of it, but the top of it has this lace detailing, and I just thought that's so cute. So with the right belt, I think this will fit really beautifully. But I just wanted to give it a go. It is all black, but you could put a coloured belt with it, but I think black can just look quite sleek sometimes, and I just really loved this one. It's very simple but cute. But I got this in a size small. I will link all of these down below so you can check them out. I also have a discount code which gets you 15% off, which is just Vanto15. So I'll put that on the screen somewhere, but it'll also all be in the description box if you want to check it out. But I'll go throw this on and we can see what it looks like. So I'm not sure this one fits me right. I thought it was going to be off the shoulder. It's definitely on the shoulder. It comes quite low at the front. I am wearing a red bra. I'm saying that in everything I try on. But I don't know what it is about it. It definitely, I don't think it works without a belt. I'm kind of getting like a matronly feel from it. But we'll put a belt on with it. I might be able to work it. Maybe with the right accessories, I think it works. Like, it's a beautiful lace neckline. If I wasn't wearing the red bra, we'll just hide those bits. I think it could work quite well. The sleeves are beautiful. It's growing on me. I think I can make this work, actually. I just need to be wearing a black bra. You can kind of get, I can pull it up a bit. There we go. No, I quite like this one. Let me know what you think, but it's very, I love the lace because it's quite unusual, but let me know what you think. And the back of it is really beautiful. But it's just kind of like a cute little girly skater dress, just all in black. I think what it is I don't normally wear like all black dresses, not that are kind of day dresses, if that makes sense. Like, I would wear black clubbing, but I wouldn't say this is like a clubbing dress. But yeah, let me know what you think. I don't hate it. I just don't think it's me, but it's kind of cute. But it keeps wanting to come off the shoulders, but then it's literally just going to hit the floor. Like, it's definitely meant to be up on the shoulders, I think. But that's what this one looks like. Now, the next thing I got, I just fell in love with. It's quite an oriental style, sort of like jacket dress. Now, I was thinking this with thigh-high boots would look amazing. And it's just got these like dragons embroidered all over it. Just like that. So I I fell in love with it and I just had to have it. So we'll see what this looks like on. It might not be my style, but I just loved it and I wanted to try it. So hopefully I can make this one work. I think it can look really sassy if styled right. So that's my goal. So again, I got everything in a size small. But yeah, I'll go pop it on and we can see what it looks like. Okay, I am loving this one. Everything about it is perfect. When I've tried on blazer dresses before, they always come up way too short to get away with on their own. But this one is actually a really good length. I could get away with it without wearing like shorts underneath or leggings. It is an actual dress and the fabric of it is just beautiful. It's not too low cut. So I just love this. It feels so nice to wear and I'm actually going out tomorrow and I'm thinking of wearing this with like thigh-high boots, killer makeup, crazy hair. So maybe I'll do like a get ready with me for that, but I love this so much. The fit, it's such an easy fit and it's just beautiful. I actually love this one. Let me know what you think, but I am in love. Next item I got, I am so excited about, is this red and white polka dot dress. Now I used to wear a polka dot dress like all the time, but it just lived its life and it eventually died because I was wearing it non-stop and I've been looking for a replacement for it for ages and I saw this one and just thought this is the one. Like it's got the sweetest little neckline, off the shoulder sleeves, and then it's just bodycon all the way down. So I really hope this one fits as well as I'm hoping it will because it's so lovely and it's really stretchy. So I'm hopeful for this one, but it's just got such like a vintage vibe about it and it's just really timeless. I just really want this one to work. So I know it's the wrong season for a dress. We are in autumn, not summer, but I saw it and I was like, I need that for summer. So that's why I got it. So I'll go pop this one on and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so I really love this one. I love the straps. I thought they were off the shoulder, but they're actually on the shoulder. The neckline sort of sits higher up than I was expecting, but it's still really cute. Only thing I would say that I'm really disappointed with is the fit. So the front of it is beautiful, but then the back, can you see it, like doesn't sit on my back. It kind of is giving me a hollow back, so I kind of need to put another dart in order to get it to work. But it's so beautiful. I'm going to try and make it work because I love the front. I think it hugs everything beautifully. It's a lovely length. I can definitely see myself wearing this in the summer, and I mean it hugs everything lovely. It's just this bit here, like there's so much material here. I want that like tight. So yeah, I'm going to have to do a little bit of alterations on this. I don't know if I can make it work because I don't like the hollow back. I need to like take it in around the waist a little bit. But the front of it is beautiful and the fabric's lovely as well. And it comes just sort of on my knee, which is really nice. And with white like wedge heels, I can just see myself wearing this all summer long, but it's just getting it to fit perfectly, which it doesn't currently. So if anyone has any expertise on getting rid of a hollow back in dresses, I'll be very intrigued to hear it because I think currently what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take in the seams around the waist just to stop it being baggy there because that is such a shame. So that's how this one fits. So not quite perfect yet, but might be able to make it perfect. So the next item I got, it's sort of like just a really classy blouse. I thought this would look really nice with black trousers for work. It's got all this gorgeous embroidery going on down the sleeves. And I just loved how this looked on the website and I just had to give it a go. And I loved the red. It's so bright, it's gorgeous. And then it's just got a little tie neck, so it's a really smart look, but it would also look really nice with jeans if you just want to have a bit more of a, you know, classy outfit, that type of thing, but it's just gorgeous. I love anything with embroidery on and it's just like red chiffon. What's not to love? So really hope this one works. I got it in a small as well, so I'll go throw this one on. So this is how it fits and I love it. It's just such an easy fit. It's exactly what it was on the website. Like it's what I was expecting completely. And the embroidery is lovely. It's not stretchy at all, but it's not like too tight. Like normally I would normally size up in the top like this if I can't try it on, but I took a risk and I went for a small and it fits beautifully. And I think it'll look quite nice like tucked in as well if you don't want the looser fit. So I'm just wearing black leggings and then you can tie it however you want, but isn't that just so gorgeous? I love the colour of it and it's such a simple shirt, but then it's got the embroidery on the sleeves, which is just beautiful. So I really, really love this one. Next thing I got, I love, so I really hope this fits. It's kind of like a leather jacket, but it's snakeskin effect and it's really soft. And I just think this is so cute. Like it's actually, I don't think it looks trashy at all. Like with animal print, you got to be careful. Like I love it just because I think I just really like the look of it. But I always think there is a fine line about wearing too much of it and that type of thing. But I think black and gold, it's kind of subtle. I think it works. And we'll see what it looks like on. I'm hoping it'll be quite like a nice tight fit jacket. And I just think this will look so nice with like leathery look jeans, that type of thing. It'll just look quite sassy. And I have snakeskin boots, which I don't know if that'll be too much, but they're black snakeskin. I think that with, you know, plain jeans in the middle, that would be a sassy look and a half. So really, really love this one. I really hope it fits. So we'll go throw on this one. Now I'm not sure I'm wearing the right shirt to go over the top of this jacket, but we're just gonna go with it. So I'm gonna see if I can get the sleeves in. If not, I'll change. Get all the hair out. So let's do the jacket up. Now I probably wouldn't wear it with this blouse underneath, but it goes under it fine. And then this is what it looks like done up. So you can have it open a little bit, or I'd probably do it up. And just like that, let's tuck in the red. I think that's quite a smart fit actually. Do they have pockets? It doesn't have pockets, but it feels very nice. I think that with skinny jeans would be gorgeous. Like I love the texture on it. I think it's really cute. No, I really like this. Let me know what you think, but I think it's a nice fit. It's a bit unusual. It's kind of got a little V here, so if you do wear it with jeans, it might show your belt a little bit, which I think could work in its favor. But it's unusual. I don't see jackets like this very often, so I really like this because I love wearing my leather jackets. I wear them everywhere, so this is just like an alternative to that. It's quite quirky. No, I really like this. It literally looks like reptile skin. I love it. Let me know what you think, but no, the more I look at myself in this, the more I like it, so no, love this one. The next thing I got is, it's a leopard print bodysuit, so we'll see what this looks like. I got this because I have a pair of shoes that I really want to go with it. I'm not sure if it will, but I thought that with a plain pair of black jeans might look quite nice, especially with like my mad curly hair with it. I was, you know, envisioning quite a nice look with it. So we'll see what this looks like. I'll throw it on. I really like a crisscross neckline, so I think it's going to be really nice. It's not stretchy, so hopefully it's just got enough like flow to it. But no, I really like it. I love animal print at the moment. It's bad, but I think if it's dressed right, it looks lovely. So I'm just going to throw this one on and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so I love this one. It is a really easy fit. Nothing's too tight anywhere, but that's just the problem. It's way too loose here. Like I am wearing a bright red bra, I understand, but you kind of need to wear like a black bra underneath or maybe a black crop top because this is just going to be flying everywhere, like wherever you move. It doesn't sit tight. So that's the only thing I would say. But with a nice top underneath or even a safety pin could work. And you just pin it down rather than have it like how it wants to sit. But I think pinned, it looks really cute with high-waisted black. These are just leggings. I think it looks really nice with, and I really thought it would go with my shoes. Obviously, oh look, it's the same thing. I am the shoe right now. So these are the shoes I really wanted this top to go with. I thought, you know, the leopard print would go really well. I wasn't planning on wearing a red bra with it, but it's just what I had on, so it goes even better now. Maybe I should make that the look. So you have a peek of the red bra with the shoe, and then it's like, oh, she is literally matching her shoes. So I got these for £1 from a charity shop. Like, can we just appreciate? They've like never been worn. They're amazing. I actually love them. So I've been trying to find things to wear with these shoes because they're really comfy, and I just really like them. I like the little bit of leopard print, and I thought this would work well. So I think I'll either pin it or I'll wear like a crop top underneath it, like a sort of sports bra, but a black one, but not like a sports bra-y look one, like a crop top. I'm rambling now, but you know what I mean. But it's too open, I think. But I really like it, so let me know what you think. But I think it works with my hair, which is what I want. So the final item I got is very unusual, and I just really wanted to see what it looked like. So it's a shirt dress with these long sort of ribbon ties that you wrap around your bodice, and it kind of makes like a corset type design. And I just loved how it's a simple black shirt dress, and then you've got this like insert of colour all over your chest, and you can design it how you want because you're just wrapping it around yourself. And I just really like the versatility of it, that you are the one who basically designs how it's going to look. So I'm just going to throw this one on and we can have a go at wrapping the straps around it. But no, I'm really excited to see what this one looks like because it's unusual and I like unusual. So I'll go through this one on. Okay, so I've got the shirt on and then I've got these lovely things here. So I literally think I wrap these. So I'm just going to start doing just that so you can see. Oh, I'm stepping on them now. I just love the idea that you can mould it to yourself. Am I doing this right? It's quite hard to do on yourself. Okay, we're gonna come around. How cool is this? This is great because it can work on so many different body types. Because you make it work. Okay, now I'm gonna just tie it. Do I tie it at the front or should I tie it? I don't know. But look how sassy that is with a nice pair of boots. Like, it looks so unusual on top of the dress. I'm just going to tie it at the back. I think it'll look better. So let me just put that around the right way. It's kind of just like a little corset on top of the shirt. I really like it. Okay, we are... Oh, I've lost the loop. Oh, no, she did it again. Wait, there it is. Okay. Yeah, I think I prefer it tied at the back, so I haven't done up the bottom button, wait. So it is just a really kind of smart dress, but it's got something a little bit different going on, so I just loved how unusual it was. Let me know what you think, but I really like it. I think it's a really sort of smart dress. I think you could also incorporate this idea on top of a shirt dress, like you could find nice scarves and do this with. I found it really unusual and really liked what they'd done, so let me know what you think, but you can dress it up or down, can't you? No, I really like this. Yeah, you can make it a bit more open if you like, or a bit more I'm at work. No, I really like this. Let me know what you think, but I think it's just really unusual. Love this. So that's what I got for you guys today. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe. If you want to check out any of the items I got, they're all linked in the description box below, along with the discount code, which is just FANTO15 for Shein. And you can use that on other items as well if the ones I have aren't your cup of tea. But thank you again for watching. All my socials are down below as well. I do have another channel which is all about rocks and fossils, along with a Patreon and an Instagram, all of that jazz. So do have a look down below. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and hopefully I'll see you next time.